Hi, I wanted to share with you a giveaway I'm doing and a discount in my Etsy store. Starting today until December 15th, I'm doing 15% off in everything in my store, which is Amy Creative Creations. The link for this is all listed down below this video. So I have 3 different mugs that everything in my store will get 15% off, which includes any one of my mugs at 2 different sizes, this hooker tote bag, which is 3 different sizes, and any one of my mugs, OCD, just pour me coffee, I just want to crochet. So the OCD, you have to click on either the 15% or the 15 ounce or the 11 ounce one, and to pick which one you would like, and all of them get 15% off the total order. I do have one more cake left for sale too. Now, if you go to the link, it should just automatically take off your 15%. If it doesn't, then you may have to put in Jewel 15. I think it should just automatically take it off. So anyways, this is the sale going on in my Etsy store. Also, I'm doing a giveaway. Whoever purchases anything in my Etsy store from today all the way till December 15th, comment down below that you purchased something, and I'll put you in the random comment picker, and you will be eligible to win 2 skeins of yarn from Lion Brand Yarn, the basic stitch. You get to pick any color, 2 of them, and you just give me your address. I can send this out to you within a week or 2 when I pick the random comment picker. The link for that is down below if you just like to take a look at what color you would like. Like I said, you do need to comment down below. You need to be a subscriber, and you need to purchase something from the Etsy store. If nobody purchases anything, then I won't be able to do the giveaway. But even if just one person purchases something as a holiday gift, or just purchase anything in my store for 15% off, then you can pick 2 skeins of yarn if you comment down below, and I'll pick a random person for one of the giveaways. So this color is really pretty. And okay, so all links are down below. Just to be clear, the link is down below for my Etsy store. You get 15% off until December 15th. If you purchase anything, comment down below this video, and I'll place you in the random comment picker giveaway. Even if it's just one person purchasing something, then you'll be the automatic winner. If there's more than one person, then I'll have to do the random comment picker, and then you can pick 2 skeins of yarn. The link for this Amazon yarn is listed down below too. And then I'll send this out as soon as I pick a winner in a couple of weeks. Just make sure you are a subscriber. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and please subscribe.